A lovely way to start my day. My vlog is late.
And the video simply isn't rendering.
So sorry about that one.
But there's literally nothing I can do. And we're starting the day. We're gonna go down to 3BD, we're gonna go get some food, and then we're gonna do some work on the game. Bloody Nora, it's a gorgeous day right now in Los Angeles. I'm by the old office, but I'm going getting some food real quick, and then we're good for the day. Okay, do I either get sushi, do I get a sandwich, do I get a steak? Oh my God, what do? You see, this graffiti, not too impressive. Whereas that graffiti, oh my goodness me. Well, I don't think you can class that as graffiti, can you? But oh, look at that. That is dope. That's why I love this area. Like, this stuff, not so much. But this is the arts district, so it's like, it's all promoted to like tag up walls and all that sort of stuff. As long as you just do a good job of it and don't just scribble pictures of dicks everywhere. Ooh, they got a barbecue on today. Tempting. Look at the selection of the food I can get here. It's kind of crazy. No to sushi today and go for lamb chops with I'm not sure what that is, but I think I might try that. I was hoping to get a bottled Coca-Cola to flush down my lamb chops, but I think I'm gonna have to go for Victorian lemonade. Okay, not sure how I feel about this one, but we'll give it a go. I think I made a good decision. Oh, yes. The sad thing of every time I come to eat here now is that when I walk outside, there's the building I was going to move into. I cry. Gonna keep my eye on it though. If anything else comes for sale up there, I would be very, very tempted to put an offer in. This area is going to go up in so... Ooh, my box is opening up. One sec. Pork chop's a little pink, but this one's still bloody bleeding. I don't know if you can eat pork raw like this, or rare like this. I waited 30 minutes for them to cook this meal. 30 minutes to cook this meal. Then it took me 20 minutes to get over here. Only to find out, look how raw that is.
No, that's disgusting.
Do we have any way of cooking this? We have an oven? A toaster oven. One job. You were stood in front of it the entire time.
I had a more important job.
I'll tell you what, this has saved the day. This is actually perfect. The recovery was real. I am a very happy man right now. Luke showed me that bricks and balls game, but I've now got Luke playing balloons. You trust me?
Wait, what's better, bricks and balls?
This is 1,000 times better. I've probably got about 500 hours into this game. Everybody's playing the goddamn game. Hey, what do we do here for a job, by the way? Anyone?
Oh, yeah, like we're doing work stuff, business
Anyone?
stuff. We do a lot of work.
If this wasn't already bad enough.
It's fun.
What you got? Ooh.
There should be some plastic plates.
Thank you. Okay. The 3BD fridge just made me very happy. Mexican Coca-Cola. Hell yes. Angela, how's the situation going? Did you win, Marwan?
In my own way.
You gotta be kidding me. I've got now evidence of you all being on it at once.
Ramon.
If you ever want to know why this company just stopped and that was it, it's because this game has taken over. We're all grown-ass men playing video games. What are you doing?
Victory!
Situation right now. There is no one in the conference room. There's no one working over here. There's no one in the 3D printing room. There's nobody else in this office. All the people that should be working are currently all inside this room doing nothing but playing this game. It's taking over our goddamn lives. It's a good thing because at 3BD, we are a game studio, but we work with other studios, you know, to like help publish their games, get them popular, because, you know, like we have like Vanos and we have Minilad and all those people who are part of our network. So we're like working with Section to get that game, like, you know, big and popular sort of thing. But usually when you work with games companies, it's like, you know, like, hey, would you want to promote this game or something? And most of the time people are like, yeah, sure, happily do it. But they don't actually, you know, play the game. They're just going out the way to promote it. Whereas this game, everyone's addicted to it. I'm working on getting a lion skin in the game, you know, Syndicate. Gotta represent. Not too sure how long it's gonna take, but we're in the works and the process of it, so that should be pretty goddamn sweet. Side note, I just came into the 3D office to see what the hell's going on, if anything new's been printed, and she's actually done it. She's got me being built. I don't know if that mustache is 100% accurate, because it seems pretty intense, but I am A-okay with this. I've actually been turned into a figurine, and I may actually be coming out as a toy. Like, what? It's not a pop figure, don't get me wrong. I would love, like the pop figure that Sam Jones made, I would love to be a pop figure. Like, I'm saying that right now. Like just like a limited edition pop figure available to my audience. I would love that. But I tell you something, that is kind of cool.
Bang bang.
What the fuck? This fucking stupid ass possess. Give him what he needs.
How long's this game been going?
The children. Fuck
It's
you!
done now.
You fucking clown! Get out of here!
It's done now.
No, that's.
It's done now. It's done now.
Oh,
He's so upset right now.
It's done now.
that's just. Yo, that's called Saved by the Bell.
Coming over to the other office? Yeah. It's coming for an adventure. We're going in the G-Wagon. The G-Wagon. What do you think of it?
This is delicious.
No, what do you think of the car, not the food?
The car smells good.
The car smell. Oh, there you go, Angelo. The car smells good. What's this on the web on the computer called? Right, there's a thing called Nox. It's a phone emulator in a sense for apps, so you can play this on the computer, and it actually plays really good. I'd like to say I had a productive day today, but I really didn't. I went to the office and the meetings were great. Found out what I needed to find out and did what I needed to do, but other than that, we played Rival all day. Chris, close your eyes. No. Trust me. Just trust me. Yeah. Oh, I guess I never got this message passed on to me. Hillary, thank you so much for being a vital part of making Joshua's dream come true to meet Tom. We could have not exceeded all of Joshua's expectations without you communicating and scheduling with Tom. Joshua had the most amazing time in the escape room and at dinner. Tom made a huge impact on Joshua, and that is something that will last forever. Thank you so much for making dreams come true. Sincerely, Molly. What? And there's a picture of me and Joshua. What a legend. My name's Tom, and I'm going to try a firework Oreo. Let's see how this goes.
Open your mouth. You popping?
A little bit.
Yeah.
Wow, it's got Pop Rocks in it. Whoa. You stay in there. We didn't want you to come with us. We're supposed to be going on a little movie date. All right, me and Angelo are going on a little movie date. And this guy's coming with us now. Come on. You've already seen this movie.
I missed the first part.
I was honestly so hung up about doing nothing tonight. I was like, we got to do something. So we're going to an iPick where it's like you get food and drink sort of thing and watch a movie. So what film are we going watching? Hey Chris, what's that movie called that you've already seen? What are we seeing?
The Hotel Mama's House.
Jesus Christ. Christopher, take that back now. Apologise to my mum. She watches the vlogs.
I love you, Mom. I love you, Mom.
Apologise to her.
Mom, I will not apologize for bringing this child into the world.
What?
I hope you see this. Do not edit that
Are you my dad? Like, is that what you're trying to say?
Oh, wait, that's
Yo.
What?
He tattooed the wrong name on the back of his leg.
Made by Chris.
Made by Chris.
I thought we were going to the movie theaters. No, you're the last thing I want to see walking down an alleyway. No,
What are you trying to say, man? What are you trying to say?
You would put, like you said in the car,
shirt.
it was nothing to do with colour. Why is everything racist with you? You're just a sketchy ass dude in general. Leave me alone. Here we go. We're going seeing Hotel Artemis. Why are you so close to me at all times? You're just so much. How?
Yeah.
See what I mean? Every 5 seconds he's there. You think I'm intense?
Oh my God.
You've never spent it.
I'm just trying to get ahead of
Are
you.
you trying to step?
I'm just trying to get ahead of you. That's how I deal with you. I just be more. It's actually the best way to deal with it.
Maybe I should be.
Start touching you. Start rubbing.
Get off
Rubbing
me.
water on you.
This looks like a terrible movie. Just saying that right now. I need a bit of distance. Just a little bit of distance. Stay away from me. Stay away. Yes. What up? Well, fancy iPick. Can I not just get 2 minutes to myself?
That's just pee. You over here jerking off.
I swear to God. Stop following me. Now this is what I'm talking about. Liquid nitrogen cocktails. Mate, that was an absolute feast of food. Me and Chris are on the same page. Did you fall asleep during the film? So the whole concept of the film, without it's not even spoiling it, this guy makes it into this like underground hospital. Something happens inside, and then he leaves. That's about as much as I know.
That's all you need then.
Yeah. So I basically got to go and watch the film again because I fell asleep during it. Dude, I don't know if these are a thing in the UK. iPics, like movie theaters where you can like go in and eat, but tell you what, I love them. They are just very dangerous because you get so comfy and it's so just like blackout dark and not that noisy, that it's so easy just to like fall asleep. This now becomes the longest part of my night. For me to get from my apartment to the office takes like 35 minutes, no traffic. Okay, so it's quite a long time. We then just drove 20 minutes even more east, so I'm about an hour away from my apartment. So it's like nearly 1 o'clock in the morning, and I've got like nearly an hour to get home with like, look, no traffic. Ugh. Home sweet home. 1 o'clock in the morning, I am ready to get to bed, pass the hell out, then get up nice and early to edit my vlog. And just like that I did. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to have to end today's vlog here. Thank you very much for watching. It's getting to that point now, and I know it might sound strange, but I'm ready to go home. I know I am in Los Angeles, you could say, there's 1,010,000 things for you to go and do, but I'm at that stage now where I've been in LA for what I needed to do, what I was going to do, you know, like E3, all that sort of stuff, like going to like MLG, all those events, but I'm ready to go home now. I actually almost flew home yesterday by a company offering me to fly first class to go to the Cannes Film Festival. Like, they'd pay me to go there to promote something. They'd like buy me a first class ticket to fly home, which would be amazing. I've never flown to France first class before, so that would be an absolute crazy trip. But I said no to the deal because they wanted me to promote a cigarette company. And I was like, you know what? I'm sorry, as much as I would love to fly home to England just for like, you know, when I say like life's too short, make the most of it, like spice things up. Life is too short to the point where I don't really think promoting a cigarette company is the best scenario, do you? Because I've always been against smoking. The only thing I would ever do is if I was like, yeah, totally, I'll do the brand deal. Fly there first class, the money that they give me, I donate to like anti-smoking charities, and at the end in the video I just go, yeah, smoking kills. You know, just completely fuck them over. But then I'd probably get sued or something like that, so let's not do that. But I'm going to end today's vlog, guys. I am flying home on Thursday, so I've only got 2 more days. We've got another cinema date night tonight with like Jericho, Diesel, I think Mini Lad, bunch of other people, because we're all going seeing the new Incredibles, which I'm really looking forward to. I'm going to spend, I think, the day in the sun today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow at 6 PM for the next day vlog, where I'm going to be absolutely sunburned. So much love. Thanks for watching. Follow me on Instagram at Syndicate. Until tomorrow, much love. Adios.